How to delete Facebook pixel. For more videos like this, click on subscribe button and hit that notification bell button on for more videos like this. So today is a very easy one and fast one. So what we're going to do first is go to business.facebook.com/settings/pixels. So in here you could see the options for Meta Business Suite, and what you would do is go to the pixels button right here, as you can see on the left side. And if you click on the pixels button, you would see your pixels. And first what we're going to do is remove the people from the pixels. So as you can see, this will remove, and go to here, the events manager. As you can see in the events manager, there are no more options available for me since I was able to remove it. And if you have embedded your pixels on your website, you can also remove it by following the instructions in the code. And what we'll do next, if you haven't put it on a website, is go to the title and edit it with the pen icon, and we will rename it as dead pixel. So once you have renamed it, just click on save, and you would see here that on the ads account you would not see the pixels anymore, and or any other websites that you have embedded on it. So it is a very easy one on how to remove pixels, and I hope you like this tutorial. See you on the next one.